大家好，我是侯老师。Hello everyone, Mrs.Hou here. This is our first video of Lesson 5, Visiting Friends. 中文听说读写第5课看朋友。In this video, we are going to learn 10 new words from number 1, 呀 to number 10, 坐。We are going to use 4-corner vocabulary template. The 4 corners are Chinese character, building blocks, phrases or sentences, and similar characters. Now let's get started. Our first word is ya. Ya is a particle. It's used to soften a question. Now let's look at the stroke orders. 竖，横折，横，横，竖折，竖钩，撇。Now let's look at the building blocks. There are 2 parts. The left part is 口, which means mouth. This is the meaning part. The right part is 牙, which means tooth. This is the sound part, so meaning plus sound. Now let's look at some phrases or sentences. 谁呀？谁呀 means who is it? This is the response when you hear someone is knocking at the door. 天呀，天呀 means oh my god. 哎呀，哎呀 means oops or oh my. Now let's look at some similar characters. 牙 tooth, 牙 bud, 呀 surprised. You might have noticed that they have the same pinyin but with different tones. That's because all the Chinese words here have the same component, 牙. This is the sound part, so that's why they have the same pinyin. Now let's look at the second word, 进. 进 is a word means to enter. Now let's look at the stroke orders. 横，横，竖撇，竖，点，横折折，捺。The building blocks of 进. The outside part is called 走之旁, or some people call it 走之底. It means walk. The inside part is called 井, means a well. So it looks like the hashtag in English. Please pay attention. The radical here is only used as radical, meaning it's not a word itself. It must be part of a word. Now let's look at some sentences. 请进. 请进 means please come in. 进来 come in. 请进进来 same meaning, but the first one 请进 is much more polite. 快进来 快进来 means come on in. It's a very hospitable way to ask someone to come into the room or to come into your house. Now let's look at a similar character. This word has the same pronunciation as 进 to enter, but this word means close to or near. It's an adjective. Now let's look at the third word, 快. 快 is both adjective and adverb. It means fast or quick, quickly. Now let's look at the stroke order. 竖，点，竖，横折，横，撇， 那. There are two parts. The left part is 心, means heart. The right part is 怪, means decisive. Pay attention. The left part is only worked as the radical, means it's not a word itself. So every time you see parenthesis, that means it's a radical. 快进来 means come on in. 快点 hurry up or come on. 生日快乐 happy birthday. 筷子 means chopsticks. Pay attention. The bottom part of this word is 快, so same as fast, quick, quickly, 快. The top part is a bamboo radical, so 筷子. Now let's look at next word, 来. 来 is a verb, means to come. Now let's look at the stroke orders. 横, 点, 撇, 横, 竖, 撇, 捺. There's only one part of 来, to come. 进来 come in. 快进来 come on in. 来了 I'm coming. These two words look very similar. Please pay attention. 来 to come. 夹 or 夹 to clip. Our next word is 介绍. 介绍 is a verb, means to introduce. Now let's look at stroke order of 介. 撇 捺 竖撇 竖. Now let's look at stroke orders of 绍. 撇提 提 横折钩 撇 竖 横折 横. There are three parts of 绍. The left part is called 绞丝旁, means silk. The top right part is 刀, means knife. The bottom right part is 口, mouth. Pay attention. 绞丝旁 is only worked as radical. It's not a word itself. 来，我介绍一下. So this is one of the sentences in dialogue 1. It means, please let me introduce. Our next word is 一下. 一下 is a noun plus measure word. It means once or a bit. The stroke orders of 一 is just one 横. That's it. The stroke orders of 下 横 竖 点. Pay attention here. 一 is pronounced as 一 because it's used before the fourth tone. So 下 is the fourth tone. 一下. 一下 only one part of 一 and one part of 下. 介绍一下 introduce. 看一下 have a look. 等一下 just a second. Wait a moment. Our next word is 高兴. 高兴 is an adjective. It means happy or pleased. Now let's look at the stroke orders of 高. 点 横 竖 横折横竖横折钩竖横折横。Now the stroke orders of sing. 点点撇横撇点。There are 4 parts of 高。头 means head, 口 mouth, 胸 outskirts, 口 mouth. Pay attention. The parts with parentheses means they are only used as radicals. They are not words themselves. There are 3 parts of sing. No meaning. 1, 8, 8. Same. This part is only used as radical. It's not a word itself. Now let's look at some phrases or sentences. 不高兴. So this is the negative form of 高兴, not happy. 高兴吗? Are you happy? So this is the yes-no question. 高不高兴? Happy or not? So this is the A, not A form. It works as the yes-no question, same as 高兴吗? 高兴吗? 高不高兴? Same. 快乐 happy, 开心 happy. Our next word is 漂亮. 漂亮 is an adjective, means pretty. 点点提横竖横折竖竖横横横竖钩撇点。Now the stroke orders of 亮。点横竖横折横撇横钩撇横折弯钩。There are 4 parts of 漂。3点水 water 亚 west 2 2 小 small. Same thing here. The 2 parts with parentheses, they are only worked as radicals. There are 4 parts of 亮。头 head 口 mouth 密 cover 几 how many or how much. Same thing here. The parts with parentheses, they can only use as radicals. 不漂亮 is the negative form of 漂亮, so not beautiful, not pretty. 漂亮吗? Yes, no question. Pretty? 漂不漂亮? Pretty or not? So same thing here. 漂亮吗? 漂不漂亮? Same meaning. 好看 pretty, handsome, beautiful. 漂亮 usually for female and sceneries, but 好看 can be used for both female and male and sceneries. Our next word is 坐. This is our last word of this video. 坐 is a verb. It means to sit. Now let's look at the stroke orders. 撇点撇点横竖横。There are 3 parts. 人 person 人 person 土 dust or earth. So 2 persons sitting on the dust. 请坐 ，Please sit down。坐下 ，Please sit down。sit down, sorry. So 请坐，坐下 same meaning, but the first one is more polite. 坐车 take a bus or take a car. 坐 same pronunciation but different Chinese characters. This is a noun, means seat. Pay attention, the inside part is same as 坐, the verb form to sit. That's it. Thank you. So here are the references. 谢谢，再见。